Though the Sun is not the center of the universe, as was believed centuries ago, it is the center of life and also our planet's renewable energy source par excellence. Economic and environmental reasons have caused a boom in the search to better exploit renewable energy. And it's here that the Sun is acknowledged as the undisputed king. The power generated by this star is about 20 trillion times greater than that generated by the sum total of all of the world's non-renewable energy plants operating simultaneously. And though only a tiny part of this energy actually reaches Earth, harnessing this minute fraction for a single hour would be enough to cover the entire world population's energy demand for a year. Yet still we continue to squander such natural potential. Until now, that is. Imagine solar panels could turn and face the sun without engines, just as sunflowers do. Then imagine they could do so both at a far lower price than at present and without today's solar panel surface area and weight-related issues. Imagine also that in addition to solar energy, these panels could produce thermal energy. At Solarays, we've made that possible by increasing solar tracking generated electrical energy by over 30% and via high-efficiency cells. Furthermore, inclusion of thermal applications has resulted in increased overall CPV system efficiency, while at the same time reducing the cost of conventional silicon panels by 30%. So how does our passive solar tracking system work? Compressed gas is thermodynamically expanded inside each of the individual workpiece's internal compartments. Given that solar tracking is autonomous and free of any form of external positioning control, solar focus cell impact readjustments occur continually. Because the highly advanced cells we use operate at solar concentrations of 1,000 suns, we attain electrical efficiency levels of over 40%. And in addition, we're able to harness thermal energy via active cell cooling, which in turn helps avoid loss of electrical efficiency caused by increased cell temperature. Basically, we've created a system that generates different energy types, electric, thermal, or both, and which yields combined electrical and thermal energy efficiency levels of up to 72%. We produce energy that's clean, cheap, easy to install, and maintenance-free, whether on the roof of your house, a high street supermarket, in sports centers, or at the local city hospital. Production costs for our patented system are low enough to stand us a decade ahead of our competitors. By 2050, 80% of the energy we use will be of the renewable kind, and Solarays means to be a part of that scene. Because our dream is a future that's green and clean. Because it'll take renewable electric and thermal energy to reduce greenhouse gases. And because we want to help create a world where renewables are the mainstay of both domestic and industrial energy consumption. At Solarays, we know what we want, and we know what it takes to get it done. Solarays, renewable energy on every roof.